Okay, so I have a 1987 Honda Spring. As you can see, it is been taken apart because I'm doing some electrical. I've added these to the handlebars, which are turning signal lights. Also, are daytime running lights, and I've added these. Now check this out. When I turn the key, hit the switch. All of them are turning on. Even when I caught myself trying to take a shortcut, which I can't, taking a shortcut to put these on. Now I'm going to show you right quick. Sorry. It's a little messy. I'm trying to show you quick what happens to do it to these. Come on all at the same time. But I don't know where my grounds are having a problem or what the wiring is at this exact point, because most of the scooter was the one of them. I don't have something with the wiring. The wiring is where I'm having my problems. So my grounds are all connected. Correct wires that light them up are correct. However, now this I don't know. Like I'll show you